Hello, welcome to a new video at Dot Design Academy. Today we will show you the basics to render your sketch. Having our sketch in Photoshop or our favorite software, we start by adding some contrast, painting the dark areas, like wheels, windows and air intakes. If it's needed, we create a selection in specific areas to work faster. After that, we add a general shade at the bottom of our car to show a little bit of his roundness. And keep in mind that having a selection on your whole car will help you a lot through the process. After the basic shade, we continue with more shades to show how the volumes of our car are working. Inside View Sketches, we recommend to use a light source from the top, because it's the most efficient one when it comes to communicate the volumes. Think about what parts are more darker, taking in account the depth of the surface. After adding some shades, we start with some lights. Just don't forget where we put our light source. Again, think about the volumes and think about where the light is hitting harder. Showing the horizon light reflection is always a cool and professional detail to add. We continue adding some details to the lights. And for the rims, taking some images from internet and putting them into your sketch can be a good idea, depending on your style or what you want to communicate in your sketch. Then, we add a little section to our fenders by copying our base wheel and turning down the opacity. And with the same technique, we put some volume on our wheels. Then, we get deeper into details by adding some harder light reflections, some extra volumes with lights and shades, and final details. Getting closer to the end of the process, I will let you enjoy the final part with the music. Finally, here we have our final result. Try it by yourself and share it with us tagging our Instagram account. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like our video. And if you are looking for a car design training adapted to you, send us a DM on Instagram and we will help you. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you on the next time. Bye bye.